been a beautiful day today compared to the last couple days that have been so rainy and cold. Today's been mostly sunny and still cool, of course, but it's just gorgeous. We decided we're going to take a little stroll. We're going to go down to the spot where we've been going fishing some. It's only like 2 minutes away from here, and then we're right on the edge of one of the fjords. The tide is coming in. It's about halfway in and rising. So the fishing might be good. It's still light out. The sun is still up over there, and it is about 11 o'clock at night. It's kind of crazy. Sunset Ålesund, Norway.
The sun will set at 11:29 p.m.
Sunrise Ålesund, Norway.
The sun will rise at 3:51 a.m.
It definitely takes some getting used to for there being only 4 hours of semi-darkness. It never really gets dark here at this time of year. It's not light all night long. Ålesund is apparently a popular destination for cruise ships. Yesterday there were 2 different cruise ships here. This morning there were another two different ones, and now there's another one docked over there. They like to stop in here and spend part of a day or a day and move on. We came down here earlier today with a lot of the kids, and they were playing around and fishing and stuff, and David was walking along this rock wall, and I think he leaned over for something and ended up overbalancing and falling in the water right there. The tide was up higher and he didn't touch bottom, he said. Luckily he's able to swim, so he just got a little bit cold. That's something he won't forget, or at least something we won't let him forget, that he fell in a fjord in Norway.
Yo.